everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I know you are excited as I am because it is a hair video, and I have not done a hair video in who knows how long. It's been a really long time, and we are talking about these twists. That's right, these passion twists that I put in myself. What? I know you guys are as surprised as I am. This is the second time ever that I've ever attempted feeding in hair, and I gotta say, I think I did the thing. All right. Before we get into it, beautiful boys and girls, if you like fashion, if you like beauty, if you like a little bit of travel, a little bit of life, that's what we do here. So go ahead and follow your girl JB, okay? If you do not follow me on the social medias, okay? On the gram, on the Pinterest, okay? Even on the TikTok, okay? Go ahead and follow your girl because I share all different kinds of things there as well, different content than what you see here. So, I know you guys just want me to shut up. I know you guys just want to see the hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. To do this style, you guys are going to need passion twist hair. And I've already linked in the description below where I bought my packs at. What I really loved about this was not only the price, it was $40 for 6 bundles, but it also has individual strands. So it makes choosing how much hair to use so much easier. Also, to do this style, you're going to need a rat tail comb, rubber bands for the first method, oil for the rubber bands, and some foaming mousse. For the rubber band method, you're going to want to soak your rubber bands in some oil. From there, I clipped my hair out of the way so it wouldn't get tangled up. Next, I undid my twist and started to part my hair. I then sprayed this moisturizing hair mist to add some conditioning back into my hair. For the bottom section, because there wasn't as much hair, I only decided to go with 2 twists. Now the fun part. So now that I have my section out, I split that in half and I'm going to take these strands of hair and place it in the middle. Then I'm going to take my own hair and enclose it around the passion twist hair and then rubber band it in to secure it. Other people rubber band their own hair first and then crochet in the twist hair. Either method is fine, I just find this to be easiest for me. Then you just start twisting. What I like to do is twist each strand individually before twisting them over one another. And so the way that I do it is I will twist each individual strand clockwise while twisting them over each other in a counterclockwise method. This helps to make sure that the strand does not unravel. Then you just keep twisting, just keep twisting, just keep twisting. The second method starts out just like the first method, so I go ahead and add some moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and I'm actually going to apply some edge gel here and then split the strand into two. Instead of placing the passion twist hair in the opposite direction as my hair, I place it in the same direction as my hair. And then again, like the first method, I will start twisting each strand individually before I wrap them around one another. That is it, guys. The whole process took me about 4 hours, and I will say I probably could have gone a little bit faster, but I also underestimated just how long this hair was gonna be. I will say that sectioning early was perfect, but instead of doing twists, I would do braids next time, because with my hair, it actually got a little more tangled with the twist than I think it would have if I just had braided it and let it dry the night before. Also, I think that if I stopped doing the rubber band method and just twisted it in like the second method that I showed you guys, that would have gone so much more faster. The rubber bands were a little hard to grip, having to put them in, all that stuff just was like a pain in my butt. Pain in my butt. So I would say that if you are confident, and if I can do it, trust me, you can do it, I would go ahead and give that a try. Once you get the hang of it, it's really quick, it's really easy, and as you can see, they stay really well and they look nice and natural. You can't see anything there because your girl hooked it up. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, because that lets me know to keep doing these kinds of videos. If you enjoyed vibing with me and my style, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all next week with another video. Bye, guys.